How was your day? Nastavite da gledate i naučite kako da opišete svoj dan. Sledi video bogat korisnim vokabularom. Postoji mnoštvo fraza koje koristimo da bismo opisali svoj dan, odnosno našu svakodnevnu rutinu. Da bismo naučili one koje se najčešće koriste, pogledajmo primjer. I get up at 7 o'clock and I brush my teeth. After that, I have a shower and get dressed. I also like to put on makeup and brush my hair. Then I have a cup of coffee and a sandwich for breakfast. After that, I read a newspaper and go to work. Korisne fraze su get up, brush my teeth, have a shower, get dressed, put on makeup, brush my hair, have a cup of coffee, have breakfast, read a newspaper, go to work. Idemo dalje. When I get to work at 8:30, I usually check my emails and work on the computer. At 1 o'clock, I have lunch with my coworkers. After that, we work until 4 and then we go home. Korisne fraze su get to work, check my emails, work on the computer, have lunch, go home. After work, I go to the park and walk my dog. When I get home, I like to relax with a cup of tea and a good book. In the evening, I have dinner with my husband. After that, I take a bath and go to bed. Fraze iz ovog dela su go to the park, walk the dog, have dinner, take a bath, go to bed. Kada opisujete svoj dan, to radite u sadašnjem vremenu, odnosno present simple tense. Na mom kanalu možete pogledati kako se gradi present simple tense. Također lajkujte ovaj video i zapratite kanal, potpuno je besplatno, a podržat ćete kanal i dobijat ćete obaveštenja o novim videima. Pored aktivnosti u sadašnjem vremenu koristite i različite vrste priloga i vremenskih izraza. Adverbs of frequency, always, usually, sometimes. Sequence adverbs, first, then, next, finally. Time expressions, in the morning, in the evening, every day, twice a week. Hvala što ste ostali sa mnom do kraja, verujem da vam je bilo korisno. Pišite ispod u komentaru svoju dnevnu rutinu, voljela bih da čujem kako vam prođe dan. Vidimo se uskoro u sljedećem videu. Bye bye!